Welcome to a journey into the world of Python, a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. Today, we delve into some essential concepts, beginning with the print function in Python. The print function is Python's built-in tool for displaying output. It's as simple as typing print, followed by parentheses enclosing the item to print. This item could be a string, a variable, or even a mathematical expression. For instance, print hello world displays hello world on your screen. Now let's shift gears into the heart of Python, its syntax. Mastering Python syntax is like learning the grammar of a new language. It's crucial for writing effective, error-free code. A good starting point is the official Python documentation, but don't overlook the value of online courses and books. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you code, the better you'll become. But how exactly do you run Python? Here's a common misconception. Python doesn't run within itself. Instead, you run Python scripts using a Python interpreter, a tool that reads and executes your code. Next on our agenda, lists in Python. Lists are ordered collections of items which can be of different types. You can create a list, add elements to it, access elements, and much more with a few simple commands. Now, onto a crucial part of any programming journey, debugging. In Python, one tool to help you with this is the PDB module, which allows you to run your script step by step, examining the state of your program at each step. Finally, how do you use Python step by step? Start with installing Python, then move on to writing and running simple scripts. Gradually learn new concepts, and don't forget to explore Python's vast array of libraries. Remember, consistent practice and exploration are keys to proficiency. In summary, we've covered printing in Python, learning Python syntax, running Python scripts, working with lists, debugging, and the general path to learning Python. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like to delve deeper into. Thanks for joining today's Python exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Check the video description for links to resources mentioned in this video. Happy coding!